This guy's free. That's a replay. Alright guys, let's see what happened there. Alright, so just got my KO punch. Rolled behind, it wasn't privy to that, and down to the KO punch, gonna seal the deal. What's up guys, K-Sizzle here, Vitamin ZK, here to talk to you about instant replays on Open Broadcaster. It's a very cool feature to have for your live streams. It's very easy to set up and not enough streams do it, so I'm here to break it down and show you why you should be using instant replays. First things first, you're gonna need Open Broadcaster obviously, and the video source plugin that I'll be linking in the description. I'll provide the 32-bit and the 64-bit version. For this one we'll be using 64-bit because that's what I use. So go to your Open Broadcaster directory, go in there and go to plugins. After you open plugins, I have 64-bit, so I'll open up my 64-bit folder and there'll be two things here, video source plugin and .dll. Copy those two and just drag them into the plugins folder. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do that here. And once you do that, make sure your OBS is closed at this point, and now we're going to open it so the effects takes place. So I've opened it, but for right now we're gonna go into settings, broadcast settings. Now these last two things here, replay buffer length, those are seconds you can just choose. I have it at to 10. That's how long your replay is gonna be. So make sure, you know, depending on the game you're playing with Smash, you know, the way that this is gonna work is you're gonna select a key on your keyboard. Every time you press that key, the last 10 seconds or whatever amount of seconds, I chose 10, will be stored. So if I just got a down tilt to KO punch or whatever, I'll hit the 9 key, and then the last 10 seconds before I hit that 9 key will be stored as a video. And the replay buffer file path is where you want that video to go. So I ended up making a replay folder. It's called replays right here. And then in here, every time I press that 9 key, a recording.mp4 will be recorded and stored there because that's what I have the file name as. So make sure that you make your folder and then make sure you type in recording.mp4 in this part. Now move on to hotkeys. Yep. Move on to hotkeys and save replay buffer. Look for that and choose. This is where you want to choose that key. So like I said, I chose 9. So every time I do something, I press 9. Then 10 seconds before that get recorded. Done deal. So now I'm gonna hit start replay buffer. Now this would work if you were streaming, so I'm not going to stream right now. So if you hit start streaming, you're doing your stream, you can also hit that arrow right next to start recording and hit start replay buffer. Now I have the game on. Oh wait, let me put something. Usually Zuko's my co-host, he's up there. Alright, that's much better. So now I have my instant replay thing here. If you right click and add over where your sources are, you'll see that video is now an option if you didn't have it before, and this will let you seamlessly put videos into your stream without lag, and it'll look really nice instead of having to screen capture it. And while you do that, you know, you can select your video width, your video height, if you want the volume be up or down. Personally, when it's a replay, I want it all the way down because I want to talk about what just happened or make fun of people. You can change the gamma, the contrast, the brightness. So you can, I kind of like a little subtle change, so I've like made the brightness a little down, the contrast a little up, and you'll see when I show it off. But for right now, I am in replay buffer mode. Nothing is being saved to my computer. Only when I press that key will a 10-second video be created of what just happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and like throw out a Hadouken, a Shoryuken, a Tatsu, and then, you know, I'll taunt. I'm gonna press the 9 key, and a recording.mp4 was just created in that folder. So now, because in my source right here, I have selected for it to always grab what's a recording.mp4 file inside my replay folder, that means that even though there was nothing there earlier, it'll grab it and play it. So it's playing it right there with a little like different hue and brightness, you know. I created an instant replay like preface right here, so it looks like really nice. I usually play this first, and then I check off the instant replay, and then I talk about it, you know. I'll be like, okay, so this happened, and that happened. It's very, very easy to do. And usually when I'm done, you'll see this YouTube folder here. I have all these instant replays that I've collected over the last few weeks. You can make a compilation of your best moments on stream and make a video about it if you're lazy. And that way, because this is what happens if I create another replay buffer, because I'm still in replay buffer mode, you know. I'll hit 9 again, and now it's going to create another recording.mp4 with a parentheses. So that's why you got to make sure that either you're going to have to read, because the only thing that's always going to be playing from this instant replay part is recording.mp4, not recording parentheses 01 parentheses .mp4. So just make sure that whenever you're done showing off your replay, just throw it somewhere else, delete it, or rename it or something like that. So that's why I tend to just click every time I go ahead and do a replay like that, like right now. I'll show it off, I'll click and drag it into my YouTube folder, and that's it. Like, it's clean, so I can just keep using it again and again and again. And that's it. It's very easy to do. It looks really nice. You know, you can do some things with it. Like I said, you can put the volume up if you want. You can put the volume down. Many different things you can do. It adds a new flavor to the stream. It looks nice. So let me know if you guys have any questions. This is K Sizzle signing out. I'll see you guys next time.